Well, welcome to the African Queen Restoration Channel. I'm Mark Kolak. I'm a retired Lieutenant Colonel, U.S. Army, and I am a collector of World War II and other military vehicles. And I'm trying to make a series of videos showing the techniques that I use to preserve or restore my vehicles. Primary videos that I'm working on right now are on a 1943 M16 A2 half-track that I discovered in Africa on a tour and shipped home for preservation. Thus the name African Queen. And it's my goal and my intention to share my knowledge and to gain knowledge from others in the hobby and in the field of military vehicle restoration. Anyway, please subscribe. Add comments to what you see. I've thrown in some other videos there on some other vehicles that I have worked on or owned or currently in possession of, etc. So I hope you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know. Thank you. And again, please subscribe.